Hello, ma'am. How are you doing?
Yes, I am doing excellent. How are you?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm also fantastic. So, ma'am, as you're meeting for the very first time, so would you like to introduce yourself first?
Yes, definitely. Okay, so as you know, my name is Momita. I am actually from Kolkata, West Bengal, but currently I am connecting to you from USA. We are here, it's been 2.5 years, and for my husband's job. And I completed my master's and MCA also. In India, I used to teach students mathematics from class 7 to class 10. And now I am homemaker and I have a daughter. She is now 2 years old. And I have opened a YouTube channel just for learning purpose. So I am working on my communication skills now. That's all about me. Okay, so where is your sister?
Wow, nice introduction.
Where is your
My
sister?
sister is work. Oh, you know about my sister. To be honest,
Yes.
my sister is interested to talk to you, but currently, unfortunately, she is sleeping right now. So that's why
Okay.
she is so tired. I'm alone here with you.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so please introduce yourself, though I know you.
Thank you so much, my dear ma'am, for giving me this golden opportunity to say something, actually to say about myself, introduction. So, to be honest, this is Muwaj bin Masud speaking in front of you, and I'm currently staying under Dinajpur district from Bangladesh as a neighbor country. To be honest, right now I'm studying in 8th standard. There are four family members in my family. There are my parents, me, and my sister Maliha. We are siblings as well as we are twins, baby. And talking about my hobbies, I like riding bicycle, speaking English with stranger like this, and making this vlog video. So this is about me.
Hey, yes, I know you because when I was complete beginner, when I was just started listening so many English content and conversational video, that is 6 to 7 months ago. So that time I used to watch your videos and I came across to your channel also. So maybe I subscribed to your channel at that time, and that's why I know you. You are doing really
Oh,
excellent,
I
and
got it. I got it.
yes, and you are so young. You both are so young, and you are doing this, and your accent, your English, both are really amazing.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your appreciation, and thank you so much also for your compliment. So, man, as we are meeting for the very first time, you know a little bit from me and about me. So, I don't know about your learning English journey. Would you please share with me about your learning English journey? That how long have you been learning this language, English as a language? Also, who motivated you? From where did you get the idea to learn English? Would you like to share with me in detailsly?
Yes, actually, I completed my all education from Bengali medium. So I am from Kolkata, so in West Bengal, and when I completed my graduation at that time, I thought sometimes that I need to work on this language and I should speak in this language. But I was good at reading, writing, but when it comes to speaking, I was completely blank. So I but I when I there I used to teach also. That was for Bengali medium students only, and I used to teach mathematics. So I did not face any problem due to English. But when we come to know that when we came to know that we have to move in USA, and there the only language is English, and I have to speak in English, I have to converse with everyone in English, then I thought, okay, now I have to do that. Otherwise, it's not possible to survive there. And I took admission in a local institute. I just took 7 to 8 classes there, and I got that confidence that okay, whatever I am speaking, that is understandable. But my English was completely broken at that time, and before speaking one sentence, I had to think so many times in my mind, and I always translated from Bengali to English. This was another problem, time-taking thing. So after coming here, I faced lots of problem, and I felt embarrassed also. But due to for the last 6 to 7 months I am consistent. I listen to English content all the time. Whatever I listen to English only, and I speak also. I speak because here I get that environment that whenever I go out, I met with some people that with whom I speak in English. So I speak sometimes, and I read and write sometimes. So and now my English journey is going on, and it's been 2.5 months I am running this channel because since I am housewife, so I have to live in the house all the time. So though all the people are speaking in English here, but I can't get that much chance to converse with them. So I need more practice. That's why I have opened this channel, and I approach to the YouTubers and co-learners also. That's how my learning journey is going on.
Yeah, it's so long. It's so long that your process is so long and very easy. And sometimes it becomes so difficult to you to manage your English speaking podcast and English level, English journey. And to be honest, you are right that we need to maintain consistency. Until we maintain it, we can't speak properly. In the
Right.
first time when I started in say a sixth standard in 2023, in the time I was making video and practicing my spoken English as well, but in the time I was not too much consistency. Like after 3 days, 7 days, even 1 month, I make video and you can say practice my spoken English. But in this year, after January in 2025, I have started to practice every single day. Like at home, we have environment to speak English all the time. Like me and my sister together between us, we all time speak English, and also with our parents, with our relatives, as well as with our English tutor, English class teacher, we all time speak English. So I think that you are right that consistency is a greater thing that can make us fluent in this language.
Right.
So
And
would you like to share with me that
hmm,
would you like to share with me that why did you shifted to USA from India?
because of my husband's job, actually. I did not have this dream, and I did not have this idea that I have to move here, but suddenly it happened, and that's why only that is the only reason. My husband's job.
Okay, I got
Just
it.
due to a project they sent us.
Okay, that's great. So, ma'am, I have one question for you. I want a special question for you. During your English journey, how many problems did you face, and what are they? Like, did you face any kind of difficult problems to speak English in front of people, as well as to make this English podcast video, as well as do you get shy? What type of problems did you actually face?
Yes, the most I faced the problem that is I felt really underconfident when I came to some people, and I they started to speak with me, and they started to ask me so many questions, because when I came here we were completely new, so many office colleagues and their family came to us and they tried to help us, and at that time usually they asked me also so many questions, and I felt so embarrassed because I just answered to the point. I could not speak so much, and I could not ask them any questions. So it was really embarrassing for me. And when you know that the person is speaking with you, they are so fluent and they are actually very good at it, then you feel this more underconfident, and that was my problem. And obviously I always thought that if I am speaking wrong, or I can't speak properly, if I say one sentence and if they will not understand me, then what will happen? So many things uh, was in my mind. So this was my main problem actually at that time, and that's why I opened this channel, and now I am conversing with people on a daily basis, and I feel that okay, from my confidence level I have improved a lot.
Yeah, you are right that you have improved a lot, because in this short time, even most of the people can't improve like this. Even we, and talking about ourselves, that we didn't improve in this time that you have been learning English. So we'd like to share once again that do you get any kind of partner from your side, from your surrounding people, like your husband, your kid, some of your friends? Do you get this type of friend around you?
Honestly speaking, no. And obviously, my husband can speak better English, and he is actually good at it. And he needs to converse every day with native speakers and all. But in home, when we start to speak in English, after sometimes we go back to our mother tongue, and this is the most very bad problem. I know that, but I could not get that partner, that kind of partner in neighbor also, because here everyone is busy. Every family is nuclear and both are working sometimes and they have kids.
2 hours and it is speak English faster than practice my spoken English. I speak English all time 24 hours without sleeping, using the restroom as well as having my lunch and dinner. All time I speak English with my parents, as I
Wow.
told you before. And sorry?
That's great. Please go ahead.
Yeah, yeah, this is a way we are practicing, and beside this, we are also trying to speak English with Indian people like this on Zoom application just for having conversation, as well as we are making some English blog video outside. And we are from village, rural area, so there is no partner on all offline to practice with them. So that's why we're connecting with online.
Hmm.
I
Okay.
think
Hmm. And you are running a YouTube channel also. So how do you manage your timing? Because you are a student.
still too little, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes as a later time. So in the time I utilize the time properly, so that's why in the time I manage my YouTube channel and searching and mailing so many people for making conversation. So you know that as a human being we should have a break time as a day. So in the time I utilize this time. So ma'am,
Okay.
if you don't mind, can we hang up this session for today, because we have talked about 25 minutes, I think.
Yes, yes. Right.
One
Okay.
one last question for you, that I think that when you just enter to the meeting for the first time, I thought that you are from another country because it looks like in the day. So what time is it now there?
Okay, now is 11:30 here.
What?
11:30. 11:30 a.m.
Oh, 11:30. Oh,
Yes.
yeah. And it's in Bangladesh. It's 9:25 p.m.
Okay, that means it's really late. Okay, so it's really great to meet you and thank you for mailing me, and it's really great conversation. Thank you so much. So obviously we will meet again and with your sister also, along with your sister. Okay.
Problem in the future, very upcoming time, you will meet with both of us. Very exciting question, exciting conversation will come soon. And also thank you so much for giving me your valuable time, and thank you so much for, you can say, reaching out to me as well as for responding me. I didn't think that you will respond to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
You're
you
so
so
cordial
much.
as well as so supportive.
Yes, and good night. Bye
Goodbye.
bye. Yes.
Good night, good morning, what do you say?
Yes. Thank